Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Shein error that says this product is not eligible for this coupon code. Let's get started. Open up your Shein application and then log into your account. And after you log into your account, remove sale items. Most coupons do not work on sale items, flash sale items, and clearance items. So tap on this cart icon and then remove the sale item from your cart. After that, try again. Now, check for minimum orders. Some coupons only work if your total is above a certain amount. So you can go ahead and simply add one more item until your total meets the requirement. After that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the Me icon and then tap on Coupons. Just like so, make sure the coupon is not expired. Some coupons only work in certain countries, so make sure your shipping region matches the coupon region. Also, you can try points plus coupons. This works for most people. In the Me section, simply tap on My Points right over here, and then you can go ahead and simply use points plus coupons together. This still gives you a discount even if the first coupon does not work. After you do that, find which item is not eligible. Head back to your profile, tap on the cart section, and then remove all the items from the cart. And after that, add them back one by one. Try the coupon after each time and you'll find the item that is blocking the coupon. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the Shein coupon not eligible problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.